Hey there, everybody. This is Eric from Outer Limitless.
And it's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions.
We're here in Atlanta today to cover Blade 2019.
Now there is a lot of material to cover between June 7th and June 9th. These 3 days have a lot coming, so stay tuned.
You're gonna like it.
You're gonna look pretty on camera. And you're gonna talk about 2019 stuff.
All right.
2019.
Okay. Yeah, I asked about the Terminus because I know that you guys have the, well, I said red, it's crimson. I know that you have that. This one, like with the BDZ one still, it's a nice quality knife. So is that what you keep in your pocket?
That's what I carry.
Okay.
Also for 2019 we have this guy right here. It's the same XR lock. This is going to be the Seal XR.
Nice.
Coming out, nice big old full-size knife. Seal FX is coming out next year that we put in the display case for tonight. Fantastic knife. And then Terminus XR is what I carry on a day-to-day basis. It's big enough to do everything you can expect a folder to do. Easy one hand open and close, and small enough that it's not going to scare grandma or anybody else when you open up to do something with it.
Yeah, no, I actually like it. One thing I really like about SOG Knives, and you guys have been doing this for a long time, is the clip placement and how it's done. This is a truly deep carry clip. You don't have to worry about, you know, whether the screws are recessed or not, because the clip actually goes through the, just if you can see how the placement is right there, you can actually get it way into your pocket without having to worry about, you know, it eating, you know, the screws eating at your jeans, or maybe a piece of it sticking out. It's something you guys have always done. And with this knife, if I mean the clip is reversible, am I right? Is it
ambidextrous?
Which that makes the knife completely ambidextrous, because obviously you have the thumb studs on both sides. It's a flipper. You have the lock that is accessible on both sides, and then you have the clip that you can turn from right to left side for, you know, tip up carry, which is also a great thing. I mean, you have great knives that come out sometimes and then they're tip down only, and I'm like,
Yeah, everybody has their preference, and tip up's just easier to get out of your pocket.
Yes.
For example, I'm not left-handed, very much so. This is my left hand opening and closing the Terminus. Can I do it with the thumb stud? Nope, because I'm not left-handed.
Well, that's why they have the flipper.
Exactly, that's why I have the flipper. Again, fantastic knife. It's what I carry. I've been carrying this since we had them in beta testing. It's a phenomenal knife.
And the fidget factor on these is just amazing.
Yes. Yeah, all day, every day, just open and close, and it's going to be that butter smooth right out of the box. There's no break-in time. The lock is self-wearing and self-adjusting. It's a fantastic knife. It's still backed by SOG's lifetime warranty, should anything happen. But again, we had guys that were testing this that got really bold and took down a tree with it. Don't do that, avoid the warranty. But that's what some of the stuff that we put this through and tested. It's a phenomenal knife. And we've got it coming out in red and in green, or crimson and OD, I think is the technical name.
Okay, all right. And I mean, as far as pricing, I know that this one is out already. Is there going to be a change in pricing for?
Exactly. So the carbon fiber in G10 is going to be a little bit more of a nicer model. It's got a little bit more pizzazz to it. The red and the green are going to be flat G10 handles, nice and abrasive and rough.
Okay.
In order to stick in your hand. Those are going to be a slightly lower price point. Terminus XR carbon fiber runs around $80. The other ones are going to be in that $50 price point when they hit the market.
Okay, nice. All right, and now when would you guesstimate that they're going to be hitting the market? Is it going to be into 2019?
Definitely still 2019. We're still working out just a few more kinks, and we're going to have it in the market later on this year. I'm hoping before the fall.
Okay, great. All right, sounds good.
Yeah.
Any fixed blades you'd like to go ahead and show me? That I mean, I was checking out this one right here, the Pillar.
I'm saying nothing new. Pillar is by far my favorite. It's what I've got in my rig when I go out camping.
Nice. I'm a MICARTA guy, so I saw that.
Me too. MICARTA and carbon fiber are the two things I'm an absolute sucker for. USA-made Carpenter CPM S35VN, a little bit of stonewash here, the satin polish. I've put mine through hell and back. Again, with MICARTA, it becomes more uniquely yours. I can pick mine out of a lineup on a table. It's phenomenal. We also have, with MICARTA, because we love it, and it's a fantastic material.
Exactly.
We have our Kiku 4-inch. This is a VG10. Great little knife. Use that signature Kiku grind. And then, do you guys want to see something for the first time that we're announcing at show?
Definitely.
All right. So coming in 2020, the next evolution in our Kiku line is going to be the Kiku FX. Again, very early, very rough pre-production type. We're just showing it off for the first time here. Still going to have that MICARTA, something more for an outdoorsman in mind.
That's nice.
When this comes out, we're going to be dropping it with XHP for the blade steel.
XHP steel, nice.
Yep, it'll come in this with sort of the satin and green, and we're also going to have it in a blackout. Also a reversible pocket clip.
Excuse me, that clip on there, yeah, it's different from most of the SOG deep carry
clips. It is. It's not a full deep carry clip, so you will have a tiny bit sticking out of the top, but not nearly as much to do with the seal.
Very nice. And that's, I mean, you just kind of, just from the use and taking that out, I can tell it's been in your pocket for a bit. It's use.
It's got that nice, lovely MICARTA patina on it.
Yes. That's one thing we love about, you know, MICARTA. You get something, it has its original colors, and the oils from your hand, and just from usage, the stuff that gets on it, it makes it yours. And no matter, you know, if it gets wet, it keeps that nice grip. Yeah.
I actually have a funny story. So I had one of the older folding Kikus that starts off the handle color like this. I didn't think about it, and I threw in a new pair of blue jeans when it was still this nice tan. So my handle's all kind of blue tinged. It looks really neat. I could have never planned it if I had tried, but it's a phenomenal thing to do. I mean, I've seen people do crazy things with ink in MICARTA or dyes just because it permeates into the material. But no, I love it. I can't say enough good things about MICARTA personally, and also just the Kiku and the pillar with those MICARTA materials. Just they sing. They feel so great in the hand.
Nice. All right.
Anything else you want to find out about? Any other questions you've got?
Actually, yes. I mean, as far as blade steel on this, I know you mentioned that the Terminus XR has the BDZ, CTS-XHP steel. Judging by sales or anything like that, would there be a possibility of having something in an upgraded steel from the BDZ one? I mean, I know that, I mean, from a price point, this is a great steel. I mean, even just the ergonomics and the actual use of the knife, you get good use. But
we've got some plans in the works. We're thinking about stuff. Maybe S35, maybe D2. Just all we can sort of say is stay tuned.
Okay.
For that.
All right. Cool. Alec, thank you so much for taking a moment to speak to us.
Take care. Enjoy the show. It's all about the sharp and pointy. That's why we're here.
Awesome.